Hello everyone, my name is Rochelle and I'm the chef from South Bermondsey. So today we're going to be making a healthy cheesecake. It's healthy because we're using oat biscuits, wholemeal oat biscuits with no sugar in. This is them. But before we start off, can we wash our hands? Hi guys, this is the ingredients we're using today. So we're using soft cheese. You can use any sort of soft cheese. This is organic soft cheese. We've got honey. We've got tiny little bit of butter. We're not actually using all of this, just a little tiny scoop. We've got blueberries, which are good for the brain. Got yummy, scrumptious strawberries. We've got pineapple. We've got lime. We have the wholemeal oat biscuits. And we have banana. So to start off, we're going to place the oat biscuits inside. Now it's time to crumble our biscuits. At nursery, we tend to put all of the biscuits in like a plastic bag or something see-through, just a bag in general, and then we get the cars and we ride over the biscuits, which crumbles them. Some of our children don't actually like the sound of the banging. What I'm doing now. Once they're all crumbled, this is what they're meant to look like. Now we add our butter, which is only 20 grams of butter inside there. We add a little bit of our honey. Now we mix together. We get the children involved here to use their fine and gross motor skills. That's what it's meant to look like. Now it's time to do the soft cheese. Put the soft cheese in. Add some honey. Which is really good for the immune system. And this will be in between our biscuit and our fruit. Also get some lime. Give it a squeeze, guys, using your muscly fingers. And then can we mix it all together? Once that's all done, we get our dish. Get our yummy oat biscuits. Place that at the bottom. Add the soft cheese. Make it look pretty inside the dish. And this is where we add our strawberries, our blueberries, our pineapple, our yummy banana. Drizzle with a little bit of honey. My yummy, scrumptious cheesecake. Thank you for watching, guys. See you again soon.